Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now by opening Settings, go to System then Activation. Once there, check the current activation state so you know if a change is needed. Make sure you have the 25-character product key on hand and that you are signed in as an administrator. You need an active internet connection to complete online activation. If you're ready, click Change Product Key. This begins the process that replaces the old key with the new one. Now you'll enter the key. Click Change Product Key and type or paste the 25-character code carefully. Watch for extra spaces. Once entered, press Next to let Windows validate the key. If online activation is offered, choose it. Windows will contact Microsoft servers and confirm the license. If validation fails, note the error code shown, write it down or take a screenshot. Make sure your time and date are correct, because incorrect settings can block activation communication. Complete the process by following any prompts. If Windows asks you to restart, do so and then recheck activation. If activation still fails, use the troubleshoot link on the activation page. The troubleshooter can link a digital license to your Microsoft account. If that does not help, document the error code and try activation by phone. Microsoft gives local numbers and step-by-step prompts. Keep your product key info handy. If errors persist, support will ask for those details.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.